Hello, my name's David Jack. I'm Technical Trainer for Vokèra Boilers. We're here at our London Colney showrooms. In this short video, I'd like to explain the high efficiency enable function on our Vokèra Synergy boilers. Under certain circumstances, a boiler may remain unused for long periods. The Vokèra Synergy boilers have a function called high efficiency enable. If the boiler has remained unused but electrically powered for 60 days, the property might be a holiday let, it might be a holiday home, pied-à-terre, so no one has used the boiler for 60 days. During this period, the condensate seal in the condensate trap may have evaporated. If high efficiency enable is used and enabled on the boiler, upon first firing, the boiler will lock itself into a low temperature mode to produce as much condensate as possible to recharge the trap as quickly as possible. This will last for 1 hour. The boiler will only work up to 55 degrees. During this time, the trap is still secure because of a second seal. But using high efficiency enable means both seals are re-established as quickly as possible. To enable high efficiency mode, we need to get to the service parameters. Press any button to wake the display up. Press and hold the menu button for 2 seconds. User parameters. Press and hold the menu button for a further 2 seconds. Password is requested. To enter service parameters, we need password 53. Use the buttons on the right to select 53. Press top left to enter. So select parameter set 7 with the buttons on the right. Press top left to enter. We need parameter 708. High efficiency enable. Press top left to enter. 0 means it is not enabled. Changing it to 1 means the function is enabled. Press the menu button to lock that in. Use the bottom left button to return to the main display. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.